Hello YouTube, hello you lovely people, welcome back to the channel. This is Raj. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. I am back with a brand new video and today I'm really delighted to share with you some exciting news. Two things. One, I bought a new fantastic accessory. Secondly, we are actually planning for a big ride. So we will discuss about these two things in today's video and I hope you will be excited too after knowing these things. So the first thing is that I bought a fantastic new camera, and this camera has been gifted to me by my wife. She has always been encouraging, she has always motivated me in pursuing my passions, and she has been a good factor, a good motivating factor in terms of where she actually helps me in doing a lot of the motorcycle stuff. With regards to the camera, I have been actually doing a lot of research in terms of which camera should I buy, because there are a lot of different gadgets available in the market in terms of the cameras from various brands like Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm, Sony, etc. But to take a decision in terms of which one should I really go for, because all these are pretty expensive things, isn't it? So for that reason I have actually spent a lot of time. It's been like from 2 years I have been actually planning to buy a new camera, and it just that got delayed because of several reasons. One, I really couldn't really figure out which one should I really go for, and secondly I am very kind of a newbie to these things. My brother owns a DSLR camera, Prem owns a DSLR camera. I just know a bit of these things, but I never been into these things. Whatever I have been shooting the videos, etc., the kind of small cinematic things and all, it's always been with my mobile camera and with the GoPro. And let me show you the camera. So this is the one. This is the Sony A6400, and as per my research I found most of them recommending this camera, and this is kind of a beast in its segment. So this is a camera which I've actually went after, and I've just been a week or so. Still need to get into more details of this camera. Still need to learn a lot of features because it has got hell a lot of features in it. It looks fantastic. It's so small, it's so tiny that you can just hold it with single. In fact, this is very lightweight also, because I'm looking out for a camera which can do two things. One, photography. The second one is the videos as well, and in fact this is good for the motor vlogging stuff also. Just a flip side, I'm not going to discuss in detail the features, etc., because a lot of videos available on the YouTube where people, all the experts, the much expert people talks about this camera, what it lacks, what it is good at, and etc. My first impressions are I'm really impressed with this camera, the way it looks. I'm able to hold it in terms of the grip, etc. And in fact it's lightweight. It's just like 450 grams. So this camera comes with the kit lens of 1650, but yeah, I do really need to invest in a good lens. So yeah, that's again a bit of expensive side. The Sony lens are a bit expensive, so I have to go for that. But for now I'll start off with this one, and we'll see how this really works out, because I've already shelled out like 80,000 for this one. Just want to share with you one small B-roll which I've actually shot with this one over the last weekend when me and my brother went out for a short spin. So let's have a look at the shot B-roll and then we'll come back soon. Okay, so that's the small shot we have done on this new camera, and let me know how did you find this. I have actually not made lot of changes to the colors. Most of what you see is it's kind of very raw. I just made a small slight changes to the coloring grid, but dude, that colors are just amazing. I mean, it's so different from the cameras what we shoot, and that's the whole reason why I actually wanted to go for a camera. Actually my brother has the Canon lenses, but I'm just is trying to explore that if in case adapter can help us in using those lenses, those Canon lenses onto my Sony A6400. If you have any idea on that, put it in the comment section, which might be helpful for me, because the lenses are expensive, dude. So overall, that's the first impression of this camera. Okay, I'm not going to review because this is not the camera reviewing channel, so this is more of a motorcycle channel. And yeah, the reason, as I said, the reason why I bought this one is basically for my motor vlogging stuff and shooting a good b-rolls, bringing up a good cinematic shots on this channel to you guys, because you guys shouldn't be disappointed when you're watching Raj RideStories videos. So with the camera you get the strap, then this bag, a small adapter, the charger, that stuff only, okay, and you get a 64 GB card for shooting. And actually they say that it has like 50 minutes of the video recording capacity, and you can click up to like 400, so that's how long the battery will last. So for the first, the battery needs to be charged for almost 2 hours so that it gets full charge. With this there is no separate adapter which comes actually as stock, so we have to put a battery, we have to insert the battery into the camera and then charge it, which is kind of very difficult. So that's the reason why I have actually got in touch with some other Sony center and asked them that if they can help us in getting another adapter and a separate battery for this one, so that will make my life much easier. The first point what we wanted to discuss. The second one is, so we are actually planning for a very big ride, very big ride, of course. When, what, how, with whom, etc, etc, those things I will share it with you guys definitely in the subsequent videos on this channel. So if in case you are also excited, so definitely you shouldn't be missing out those kind of videos. So if in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, stay tuned to this channel, hit the bell notification so that you will get to know first the moment the new video arrives. The initial stages of planning with the core group of gutsy wanderers, and we're just trying figuring out about the leaves, how do we plan, etc, etc. So those are the two things what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Really pumped up, looking forward for all these exciting things which are really going to happen in next couple of months. So yeah, if you have any questions with respect to this particular video, put it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy. If in case you liked it, also put it in the comment section and share your thoughts that how did you find this video. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passions. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.